One of the things I really like doing in the off season, apart from just going out in the woods and covering ground, is to go and take all of my SD cards from my trail cameras that I had run throughout the year and try and organize them in a way that's going to be useful for me next year. So what I'll do is I'll take all of my photos that are the most key, most important. It's probably going to be mature buck daylighting in an area that he's killable. And I'll take those and I will create a journal entry in Spartan Forge. And when I create that journal entry, I put it on the location and of the exact day and time that the trail camera photo showed, that'll automatically tie the wind and weather information to where that photo was taken and when that photo was taken. And then in the upcoming season, I can look back at those journal entries, and especially if we're coming up to say late October, and I can look and see what areas got hot and what deer are moving in certain locations when, and then combine that information with the upcoming weather forecast and prediction that's also shown in the app. Doing it this way for me is nice because it's all in one location, and it takes away a lot of the time that I used to spend digging up that old wind and weather information.